Ducana. Who knew combining sweet potatoes, coconut, spices, sugar, pumpkin, and flour would taste so good? To prep for Ducana, I wash the coconut, remove the shell, and then grate the coconut before setting it aside. I wash, peel, and grate a piece of pumpkin, then set it aside, and pumpkin is optional. I wash and sanitize fresh green banana leaves, towel blot them, and then heat them over the stovetop. This loosens the leaves and make it easier to wrap the Ducana mixture. I sift flour, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon into a bowl, give it a good stir to combine, and set it aside. Next, I wash and peel local sweet potatoes, then grate them using the rough side of the grater. To make the Ducana batter, I add the grated coconut and pumpkin to the sweet potatoes and stir to combine well. Then I add sugar to taste. Next, I stir in the flour and continue mixing to a thick batter. At this point, you can add raisins, but that's optional. Drop spoonfuls of the Ducana batter into squares of banana leaves, fold securely and tie with strips of banana stem or with a piece of string or secure with pieces of foil. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then safely add the Ducana to the boiling water and cook until firm. Serve the Ducana. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can find the list of ingredients in the description box below.